To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile located below your username. Under your photo, tap Edit Photo or Avatar. From the pop-up menu at the bottom, choose Create Avatar. You can upload an existing photo from your gallery, or snap a selfie to create your avatar. Then tap Done to proceed. TikTok will then begin generating your avatar, displaying the estimated time required. You can either stay on this page or leave it. You will receive a notification once it's ready. Once your avatar is ready, you can select a background for your avatar. Changing the background allows you to personalize your avatar, and make it more visually appealing or contextually relevant. From the options below, you can choose the pose of your avatar, which will determine its expression and body language. If you don't want to post your avatar to your story, simply uncheck the circle. And finally, tap Add to finish. Your avatar will be saved and added to your profile, ready to use in stickers, comments, and other TikTok features. For more options, tap Edit Profile again. Then select Edit Photo or Avatar. From here, you can edit, regenerate, or download your avatar. So that's how you can create your avatar on TikTok.